Hi catchers. So I just took my braids out after a month of having them in, and I thought I'd show you guys the tail end of my blow drying and then how I straighten and curl my hair for a silk press. I use the Olpalex system. I use number 3, 4, 5 to wash my hair. 6 I used as the Bond Smooth. I put that on while my hair was still wet before I blow dried it. Last I use number 7, the bonding oil. And this does not make my hair weighed down when it is straight. And I get about a quarter size amount, rub it in my hands. I even get it between my fingers so I can do that. And this acts as a heat protectant. I always use a heat-proof rat tail comb so that it won't melt when you put it next to your flat iron. Now I'm just curling my hair. I usually do one curl away from my face and then one curl towards my face by alternating them to give my hair even more volume and body. And I only curl with a flat iron. I don't know how to use a curling iron. I never was good at it. So I learned how to do a flat iron years ago, and that's just what's worked for me. And that's all of it curled. So it is the next morning. I slept with my hair in a twisted bun, which is a new way for me, and it came out great. So I will link all of my Olpalex products and the hair mask I use. It's called Isoline Beauty. And let me know if you would like more videos like this. Have a great day.